Oh my, y'all, oh my god, look at me. Like, if y'all go compare some old videos to this video, oh my god, y'all, I got so small. I wish I had a scale. But thank God, because I was trying to get rid of my stomach and it's like almost gone. Ah! That's the best thing from out of this sickness, like literally.
Girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
What it do, baby boos? It's your girl Suzie, and I am back at it with another video. So y'all, today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be super quick. I just wanted to give y'all an update of what's been going on. Y'all know I've been posting every week, and I did miss last 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm basically finna tell y'all what's been going on, y'all. So your girl did catch COVID. Tomorrow will be my last day of quarantine. But I just want to tell y'all my little journey, my experience with it. Like, it's really nothing to play with, y'all. I went to my people's house for Thanksgiving. I ended up catching it from my mom or my auntie. So it's like, I really don't know, but it don't matter at this point. I'm just so thankful and blessed that I am fine. I'm better. So basically, like I said, Thanksgiving I had caught it, but I didn't start feeling like the symptoms until the 27th, which was that Saturday. I had a Friendsgiving that day as well, y'all, and everybody, thank God, everybody that came is okay. So it was like, it started that night. So we partied until like 2 or 3 in the morning. But anyways, it was like I had started getting the shivers, like, and I barely get cold, so I knew something was up. So y'all, I ended up putting on my little flannel, and I was still, you know, kind of cold. Like, I'm like, what the hell, like, this ain't me. So not really thinking of nothing. I was just kind of like, I did get a little tired, but I just was like, okay, it is 3 o'clock in the morning. I was just, at this point, I was just ready to go lay down. Literally, when everybody left, I ain't do no talking. I literally just went in and got in the bed. So I woke up the next morning with a really, really, really bad headache, y'all. Like, I never had a headache this bad. So I'm like, what's going on? Like, is you good, sis? So still not really think of nothing of it, because I don't have the shivers no more. It was just literally for that night. So my head starting to like really hurt. So I usually don't take nothing, because it's just like, I just rather get over it, you know, whatever is going on. But I end up taking me some Tylenol. It helped, and for that moment or whatnot, and then like it just came back, and it was mainly like right in the front of my head. Then my body started feeling weak. It's like I didn't want to do none of my daily activities. It was just like weird, you know. So I'm like, what's going on with me? So literally those headaches and body aches was literally my main symptoms. I didn't get like coughing, you know, sneezing, congestion, or anything of that sort. So I'm not gonna lie, I am so thankful for not having to deal with like what a lot of other people is dealing with when they catch COVID. Because my best friend, she had it so bad. My mom, she couldn't breathe. Like, so everybody's symptoms is really different, like, but those was my only 2. So I'm just happy to be okay, y'all. Like, literally, like, I'm so happy to be okay. But like I said, then I was telling my sister, you know, like what was going on. Thank God for my sister. She brought me a little starter kit, y'all, to get me right. Like literally everything that you needed, like she brought it. Like, I'm so thankful for my sister. Shout out to her. I love you, baby girl. But told me to put an onion under my feet. Y'all, like I said, I never heard of it until TikTok, and anything to get me better, y'all, I am doing it, like literally. So I put some onions under my feet, put my socks on, and I laid down, because that was the only thing I could do, literally, y'all. Lay down and get some rest. Like, I was getting that. Like, I'm not trying to get up at this point, because it was like my body was so weak. But I put the onions under my feet, y'all, and I woke up and my headache was gone. I'm not saying it was the onions, but when I put them onions under my feet, the headache was gone. So the onions did it for me. So that was like really exciting because like my head was just like really killing me. So literally I was lounging around. I wasn't really able to, well, I didn't even try to eat. I just was literally laying down. So that night before I went to sleep, I put some more onions under my feet. Hold on, no. But y'all, that night I also put the onions back under my feet when it was time for bed. I woke up and my body aches was a little gone. That onion helped, I ain't gonna lie. Like whatever it did, it helped. So I started trying to, you know, get up and, you know, do stuff, move around, because it's like it's not really good to lay down. But at this point I didn't know that I had COVID, so I did need to just let it do its course and relax. But me just thinking it was just, you know, something else, because I started feeling better after a couple days. It was like once I got up, it was Wednesday, so I had gotten, did my little spiritual bath. And after that, I caught myself getting in the shower afterwards. I was able to shower and everything, but literally once I got out the shower, I had to go lay across my bed with my towel on, wet, like wasn't able to dry off because my legs was so weak. My body had got back weak, so I literally just laid back down. Like it was just like, no, my body was like, no, absolutely not. You're not doing anything. Lay down, get some rest. And y'all, that was what I did for like about 5 to 6 days. Then I started trying to, you know, go outside. Well, not go outside, I just wanted to see was I was capable of walking polo. So I was able to do that, but it was like when I got back in, it was like I just needed to not go to sleep, but just really just sit down and just chill. So it was like, I hated it, but I'm so happy, grateful, thankful that I am okay now. My mom is better. She was in the hospital for a couple days. Thank God for that. My little brother caught it as well. He kind of had the same symptoms, and once he told me he was like weak and not able to do nothing, that don't sound like him at all, because y'all, my little brother be on the sea moss, all that, you know, healthy stuff. So when he said that, I'm like, yeah, you probably got it. So I just told him literally to relax, but he's doing better now too, thank God. But I'm just blessed, and I just want to come and let y'all know what was going on. Y'all be safe out here, and that's literally it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know some new outfits that y'all want me to do. And y'all, I got some stuff I can show y'all a sneak peek. This is the material of something that I had, super cute. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. That video will be up probably next week. But yeah, and I love you guys oh so much. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. Follow me on all social media platforms, and I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Peace.